What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to continue our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So let's just get right into it, guys. Welcome back to another week of Invest With Me. Woo! So I'm actually just going to go ahead and bring up the old phone right away. We're going to just get right to it. And we're just going to get to investing so you guys can hurry up and see this video. So we are at, what is this, week 8? Week 8, I think. Anyways, so here we are, week 8. And let's go ahead and check out, let's go ahead and go check out our assets. Let's see where we're at. Minus $8 in USDC. And going down, minus my $5 in Cosmos. If you guys have been following along, I have this $5 in Cosmos that it's in my staking wallet. It's just been in there. I sold all my Cosmos a while ago, and it was like I left like a couple pennies in there. And after, I think, a year, I don't know if it was a year, probably a year, maybe less than a year actually, just from staking alone at 8%. I think it was higher. But look at this. Just get all these freaking rewards. Have all these rewards from staking here. I can keep going. I can show you all these freaking rewards. Okay, there it goes. Oh, when I unstaked. Sad day. 2023. June 29th, 2023. I unstaked my little bit of Cosmos that I had in there. Not much, not much. $200. Not much at all, but 23 Cosmos. That's when I unstaked, and I left a bunch of, not a bunch, but I left a couple pennies in there, whatever was unable to, actually, no. So I think this reward came after, and it was 60 cents. So I think it was the 60 cents that started me off, and then check it out, and then another 84 cents, and then 69 cents. So those were the rewards that were left over from the $200 that we're staking. And then from there, I've just been getting pennies, bunch of pennies on these rewards. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty good pleading. So without doing anything, I have $5.26 in there. If I would have left that $200 in there, yeah. Anyway, so minus that $5, we are at 150. Let's say $150. So how we doing, guys? How we doing? Fetch AI topping the charts. Fetch AI top of the charts. We have already made, I want to say, started at $18 minus the fees. We are at like $9, almost $10 and $10 up. So that's freaking awesome. Solana's doing pretty good as well. We are at like $6 above where we bought in. Magic, probably like $5, almost $6 from where we started. Uniswap, about $4, $5 around there, close, pretty decent. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, like I said, these swings are going to be major. Since we didn't buy very much, $20 doesn't get you very much Bitcoin. So we're not going to be able to see the dramatic swings like everybody else. But check this out, guys. Check this out. I just had to put this up because, man, I said it before. I'm going to say it again. 2024 is going to be the year of 100K Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. Look at that freaking map. Look at that right there. 2024 is going to be the year of the 100K Bitcoin. We're halfway there, guys. We're halfway there. We're at the beginning of the freaking year. It's going to go crazy. We just got those spot ETFs. The big corporations or whatever, the big investors, the big dogs, they just invested billions. They just invested billions into Bitcoin, causing this rise. And you know what? I just have to say, there's a lot of institutional investors that are selling a lot of stocks right now. They're selling a lot of stocks, and I wonder why. What's coming up? Is there going to be a stock market crash that we don't know about? Who knows? But Bitcoin is not the stock market. Bitcoin is its own thing, not easily manipulated. So invest in Bitcoin. So let's see what else we got going on here. Polygon wasn't doing too good for a little while, but we are back up, guys. We are back up to almost our original investment of like around $18. And Threshold is, it's back up from where this little loss that we had. It's never a loss, guys. It's never a loss until you sell. So I got to correct myself. We didn't lose anything. We still have our assets here in Threshold. As long as we don't sell, we're not going to lose anything. So let's ride it out. It's only $20, guys. It's only $20. We'll see how it goes. There's a little dippity dip and then a further dippity dip right there. So we'll see. We'll see how Threshold goes. Seemed like a solid token at the time. Who knows? So without further ado, guys, we're gonna go ahead and go to our token here, which is, I did a review on this token, ICP, Internet Computer Price. So check out this token, guys. This token is freaking awesome. Internet Computer's basic idea is to create a new kind of decentralized internet and global computing system, with independent data centers all over the world joining together to create an alternative to the cloud services from companies like Amazon Web Service and Google Cloud that power most of the current internet. So, guys, this token is freaking awesome. It's changing the game. Just like everything is evolving, Internet Computer is taking charge into the computing era, or the computing market or whatever. So let's just go back here. Internet Computer, during our last bull run, the all-time high, we made it to $630, guys. $630. As you can see, way over here where we're at right now, it's trying to make a comeback. It is trying to make a comeback, and I regret not doing this earlier. I regret not doing this earlier in January, because it was only $13. We're at 14. It's not very much difference, but you still get a little bit more than what we will right now. So we're just going to go ahead and do it, guys. We're going to go ahead. We are going to purchase our $20 worth of Internet Computer tokens. So going to go ahead and review the order. My quick screenshot real quick. $1.49 fee, and we're just going to go ahead and place the order. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Super fast. Let's go ahead and review the order. Refresh that real quick, and boom. $18.32 of Internet Computer token. We purchased 1.2. So we got one token and a little smidge. Little tiny smidge. I have really high hopes for this token. I really think this token is going to do really good. If you want, go ahead and go to their official website real quick. As always, I'm not going to read everything on their website. Go ahead and go do that on your own. So, Cypherspace as cloud. So, just like everything nowadays is all tied to clouds. Everything is cloud computing now, so why not capitalize? Why not capitalize on cloud computing? Which they are going to do. Let's see here. Learn, use, develop, participate. So, like I said, they're on a blockchain of their own. Let's go ahead and learn. They got the basics here. What is ICP? How it works? The technical roadmap. There's just a lot, guys. This is a really established company. They were doing amazing during the last bull run. Obviously, a lot of people got scared, sold off a lot of their crypto during the last bear market. The last year, everybody got super scared, and they folded. Everybody folded, and everybody sold all their tokens. So, don't do that, guys. Don't sell your tokens. Don't sell your tokens until, at least till the end of the year. At least till we make some money, guys. Make some money first, and then sell your tokens then. But, let's see. Oh, one last thing, guys. I did want to talk about one last thing. I'm running out of time right here, but there was a token. There was a token that I do want to talk about here. We can't, I'm going to go to my watch list here, and we can't purchase it here on Coinbase, but if you have a Coinbase wallet, I highly recommend checking out WorldCoin. WorldCoin, what the heck is WorldCoin? I'm going to do a full review on WorldCoin, but this is a token. This is the token of ChatGPT, OpenAI. This is their token, guys. I highly recommend getting into this token. If you can now, if you know how to do it, go ahead and open up your Coinbase wallet, buy a little bit of Ethereum, and then some more Ethereum for the fees, and then you can purchase WorldCoin on the Coinbase wallet. Also, if you have a MetaMask wallet or anything like that, probably a Ledger wallet as well, you can go ahead and buy it there. But World Token, guys, AI is the future. AI is the freaking future. If you guys are up to date with just AI in general, OpenAI made this amazing video editor that is indistinguishable from real life. So, is this AI? Am I even doing this video? Who knows? Who knows? But that's going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below. Do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do. And we will see you next time. Peace!